Testing and evaluation in ELT. Methodology. Grammar and translation method. This has traditionally been the method used to learn classical language, like Latin and Greek. It is basically consists in learning the grammatical rules of the language and translating texts. Otherwise, it is not normal for it to be used to teach a modern language. However, in part, it is similar to the chosen methods, unknowingly by some people who learn a language only by listening the songs and translating their lyrics. Teaching English. Although the method most used today is the communicating approach, no system can be discarded, since each one can be good to learn different concepts of even different languages. Also, each student can feel more comfortable with one or another way of learning. It is not the same, for example, to teach vocabulary or Spanish to an Italian student than to a Chinese one. The first can learn by simply listening to the teacher speak, almost without the need to study, while the second needs time to understand the spelling of the word, correct pronunciation, and repeat 1,000 times what you want to learn. Direct method is also known as natural method, anti-grammatical method, phonetical method, reformed method. Techniques. Why is important? Why should they might pay attention to what you are saying? After this presentation you will understand. Humor. Laughter reduces stress and can make listeners feel more relaxed and open to learning. Share a good laugh with your audience. They appreciate it. Pause. Don't keep talking. I'm stuck. Make sure to give time for your listeners to think and participate by asking any questions. Personal experience. Bring some real life stories can make your presentation more interesting and memorable. Visual aids. Use videos, images, graphics, charts, and incorporate physical objects to help listeners see and feel what you mean. Keep it simple. Don't try to do too much in a little time. Keep your language, visual aids, stories, and your jokes simple and easy to understand. How to make an engaging presentation. Technology. Technology is already one of the most powerful motivators for learning the English language. Digital tools and platforms expose students to a variety of authentic English sources and free them from a technical focus on institutions. In many cases, technology can provide higher quality English instruction than is available locally. Free educational technology for teachers. Here in the center you see the tools, the picture gallery, the graphic design tool, the social networking tools, the mind mapping tools, the storytelling tools, the infographics and visualization tools, and all the other things you need. Technology. The use of internet gives people more exposure to English language. It is a self-reinforcing cycle in which English allows access to a wider variety of information and international exposure increases language skills. In this way, a higher level of Internet use correlates strongly with a higher English proficiency, according to measurements such as broadband subscriptions and in the number of security services. Tips. Enter the teaching in who learns more than in the teachers through negotiation and goal management. For example, autonomy in learning will be fostered. Those who learn assume more and more responsibility in the management of the multiple aspects related to learning English. Further engage the affective and human value in the classroom. Establish pedagogical strategies directed above all to determine the needs and style of learning. Develop strategies, stimulate creativity, strengthen confidence, etc. The recognition of the English language as a means of global communication and as an essential tool for accessing information sources. Encourage tutoring with special emphasis on teaching online. The teacher will give and advise the student on how to make the best decision and overcome obstacles.